This is where the legendary AK-47 begins its controlled production journey.
AK-47 manufacturing takes place under strict regulation.
High-grade steel forms the backbone of the AK-47.
Material inspection is critical for AK-47 durability.
Only approved materials enter AK-47 manufacturing.
Precision cutting defines the AK-47's structure. Automation ensures uniform AK-47 dimensions.
Exact measurements protect AK-47 reliability.
Advanced machining supports AK-47 consistency. Even the smallest AK-47 component matters.
Barrel preparation is vital for AK-47 performance.
AK-47 barrels are engineered for endurance.
Heat treatment strengthens AK-47 metal.
Cooling stabilizes AK-47 structural integrity.
Inspection ensures AK-47 quality standards.
AK-47 assembly follows a precise workflow.
Alignment is essential for AK-47 functionality.
Human skill supports AK-47 precision. Each AK-47 step is documented. Coatings extend AK-47 longevity. Uniform coating protects the AK-47 surface.
Curing locks in AK-47 protection.
Finishing gives the AK-47 its iconic look.
AK-47 furniture balances strength and ergonomics.
Verification protects AK-47 consistency.
Design supports AK-47 handling.
The AK-47 begins to take full form.
Controlled torque ensures AK-47 stability.
The AK-47 structure nears completion.
Every AK-47 receives a unique identity.
Traceability is essential in AK-47 production. The testing confirms AK-47 mechanical integrity.
Data-driven checks support AK-47 standards.
Only approved AK-47 parts move forward. Cleanliness preserves AK-47 performance. Production enters its final phase.
ALAF handling symptoms. Final inspection ensures AK-47 reliability.
Material quality defines the AK-47.
Oversight maintains consistency.
Automation enhances AK-47 efficiency.
Safety governs AK-47 manufacturing.
Conditions affect AK-47 precision. Coordination drives efficiency.
Approval marks progress.
A disciplined process unfolds.
Completed AK-47s await final processing.
Logistics follows strict protocol.
Another production cycle concludes.
Preparation continues for the next cycle.
Every AK-47 undergoes controlled evaluation.
Functionality checks are mandatory for AK-47 approval.
Mechanical endurance defines AK-47 reliability.
Precision motion is carefully monitored.
Data confirms AK-47 consistency.
Testing follows strict protocols.
Only compliant AK-47 units move forward. Certification marks readiness.
Post-test cleaning preserves quality. Surface protection extends AK-47 lifespan.
Final detailing completes the AK-47 form.
Visual perfection matters. Documentation ensures accountability. Packaging follows strict handling rules. Protection begins before transport. Verification prevents errors. Movement is carefully tracked. Storage follows regulated conditions. Conditions preserve integrity.
Every AK-47 is accounted for.
Logistics operates under supervision.
Security is constant.
Distribution requires authorization.
Transport follows strict routes.
Security extends beyond the factory. The journey continues. Technology ensures oversight.
Production never stops.
The cycle renews.
Preparation is continuous.
Machine health ensures precision.
Calibration maintains standards. Safety is a priority.
Expertise is built continuously.
Records preserve accountability.
Coordination defines efficiency.
Process harmony matters. Teamwork drives precision.
Performance is analyzed.
The daily output for the AK-47 barrels is exceeding targets.
Production spans all hours.
Discipline continues.
Completion reflects precision. Authorization granted. Some units await future deployment.
Security seals the process.
Operations remain protected.
Another cycle complete. A new day begins.
This is how regulated AK-47 manufacturing operates.